Tonight, on Fringe, a horde of murderous butterflies come for you.
The scene starts off very subtly. Our character is giving a presentation and is attacked by butterflies with razor wings. Pretty much cut him to shreds, and to escape them he charges through the window and plummets 29 stories to his death.
We shot the interior portions of our man running towards the window, being attacked by butterflies.
The butterflies for this sequence are going to be as real as possible. We relied entirely on actor performance.
The effects guys were there. We all talked to each other as to like what we were kind of planning. Something would happen, I would act it. So I would experience the cut and we would freeze. They would apply makeup and then I have to unfreeze and move on.
We are going to do is swarm him with computer-generated butterflies that drive him out the window.
And now what we're doing is the sequence where he actually flies out the windows.
What we're doing is putting charges on the window, so that when the stuntman runs towards the window away from the butterflies, we blow the window with little charges, and he jumps out.
We have tempered glass. We have a stuntman. We have two cameras, one high and one profile, that will be composited into a matte painting of the exterior of the building.
We've built a window set piece wrapped in green that will be, through visual effects, turned into the exterior of the World Trade Building.
And we're going to shoot some high falling shots where there'll be a stuntman falling. With all the pieces put together with the visual effects and with the performance that we got from our actor, Tolmi, it's going to be fabulous.